Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to convert DVD to any format with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Insert the DVD in the DVD drive and launch UniConverter 13. Go to the Converter category and click Load DVD folder. Select the Main Movie or All Movies button and click OK to import the videos. Step 2. Click Output Format menu. Go to the Video tab, select an output format, and click an appropriate resolution. Step 3. Edit the video, optional. Click the Trim, Crop, or Effect icons under the imported video to make any changes as needed. Step 4. Convert the DVD video. Choose the high-speed conversion, select an output folder in the File Location field, and click Convert. Step 5. Access the converted videos. Click the Finish tab to go to the Output folder to access the newly produced files. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video!